Welcome. This video shows Ridpath and Deer Meadow students how to log into Canvas using the Canvas website. Please be aware that on all Ridpath and Deer Meadow iPads, there are two ways to access Canvas. There's the Canvas app and the Canvas website. How a student accesses Canvas will be dictated by their teacher. So if you have a question, please contact the child's teacher to figure out which way you need to access Canvas. This video covers the website. If you would like to access through the app, please follow the link to watch that video. Again, I'm looking for the Canvas website. It has a green and purple, not a green, a gray and purple rather, G. It's in the lower left-hand corner of my iPad. I'm going to click to launch that. It says Canvas website. And all this does is it opens Safari and takes me to the Canvas website. There I'll be prompted for a Google login. It looks like I'm signing into Google, but I'm actually signing into Canvas. You will use your child's email, which has been provided by your teacher. It might also be known as the login, and they should only have to enter this information one time. So I will enter my login information. Once that's done, you can select Next. You will then enter your child's password. Again, this will be provided by your teacher. If you have any questions about login and password, please contact your child's teacher. Again, when you have entered the password, select Next. At this point, you will be taken to the Canvas website. You are in an area called the dashboard, and the student should see their course. For most students at Ridpath and Deer Meadow, they are only going to have one course, and it is going to be the name of their teacher. So for example, where I see Apple III and Virtual Teacher Demo, they will see the name of their teacher, and that is how they will access Canvas. You can click any one of those course cards to enter the course. Their menu is going to look a little bit different because I'm a teacher, obviously, and they would see the student perspective. But that's how you access Canvas using the website. If you have any questions, please contact your child's teacher, and if they are not able to find the answer, we will work hard to find the correct answer for you.